everyone. I'm Flory Baring, and this is our report about gender sexuality as a subject of inquiry. Lesson 3 with my co-reporter Bernadette Ai. Gender refers to the socially constructed roles, behaviors, expressions, and identities of girls, women, boys, men, and gender diverse people. So we are very familiar of gender that it is describe the characteristics of male or female. Then gender role or fixed role. Gender role, also known as a fixed role. The social role encompassing a range of behaviors and attitudes that are generally considered acceptable, appropriate. So here in this world, it is the only thing na atong makita is ang boys and girls. So it is very expected na if you are a boy, you have a masculine and masculine, then matipuno or strong, while some girls is mahinhin or um, then sexy and etc. And the next is diversity. It is proven to make communities and workplace more productive, tolerant, and welcoming. Inclusion is the practice of providing everyone with equal access to opportunities and resources. So, all of us have a different skills, background, and experiences. So, they will be able to collaborate together and learn from each other, and will make us more well-rounded person. Then it is not a program or a favor we do for someone. It is embarrassing the fact that everyone has a value. The next is approaches in research. As a subject of inquiry, the gender studies utilizes a systematic approach in identifying problems, making hypotheses and assumptions, gathering data, making conclusion. There are two variety approaches which can be used. Qualitative approach focuses more on the meaning created and interpretation made by people about their own personal or vicarious observed experiences. Next is quantitative approach. On the other hand, focuses on characterizing population, total number of individuals in a group. Three methods used in qualitative approach are as follows. First is phenomenology, conducting intensive interviews with individuals who have experienced a particular event and understanding their lived experiences. So it is respondents live as they portray this world of how many or how much. The next is hermeneutics, understanding the meaning of text, literary works, artworks, and what they convey about human realities. It is the way to understand about the gender relation to its cultural context. The next is ethnography and ethnomethodology, immersing in a community and taking note of their experiences, beliefs, attitude, and practices. So it is the study that focusing everyone about their beliefs, attitude, and practices, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning, Sir Martin. I'm here to report about gender sexuality as a subject inquiry. There are two methods used in quantitative approach. First is survey, collecting information from a sample and experiment, creating actual setup to observe behavior of people in an experiment group. Second slide is there are 4 principles to remember in conducting gender and sexuality researches. First, informed consent. Researchers should make sure that the participants in the study are aware of the purpose and process of the study they are participating in. Second, confidentiality and anonymity. Researchers should not reveal any information provided by the participant. Third, non-malfeasance and beneficence. A study should do not harm non-malfeasance to anyone. Fourth, distributive. Justice of any study should not disadvantage a particular group, especially the marginalized and the oppressed, poor people, women, LGBTQ+, the elderly. Human ecology. As a field, recognize the interplay among internal and external environments, physical, socio-economic, cultural, Bronfenbrenner, 1994, Bubbles and Sontag, 1983. That's all.